everyone. My name is Vinay Goel, and I'm a product director working on the Privacy Sandbox. Welcome to a new episode of the 5 Minutes or Less series for marketers. In recent episodes, we answered your questions about the Privacy Sandbox proposals most relevant for advertising, topics, Fledge, and the Attribution Reporting API. Today, we'll talk about what the Privacy Sandbox APIs have in common, an intention to support the online ecosystem by enabling key advertising use cases for all kinds of businesses, from large brands to small local advertisers. Question 1. How will the Privacy Sandbox enable small or new businesses to find potential customers based on their interests? Our goal with the Privacy Sandbox is to help small and large businesses grow in a more privacy-safe way. As an advertiser, you can continue to reach new audiences using the online marketing platforms you use today. These platforms can adopt privacy-preserving technologies in a number of ways to help you find interested customers. Now, let's explore some of those. First, Topics is a key Privacy Sandbox API for showing people more relevant ads based on their interests. As part of the initial proposal, we're launching a set of 350 topics such as food and grocery retailers, household supplies, or car rentals. However, these will not be the only way to reach your audience. The topics provided by the API will serve as just one of many signals that your ad tech provider could offer to deliver relevant advertising, among others like contextual information or device type. On the other hand, we know that some businesses are very specialized and may have more niche customer bases. This is where Fledge can also help. While you likely remember Fledge allows for re-engaging with past site visitors, it could also enable businesses to build more granular audience groups for the purposes of interest-based advertising. For instance, publishers might create their own interest groups based on people's interactions with content on their site and make them available for advertising. And your ad tech provider might also create interest groups who are in the market for certain products to enable advertising on sites that offer products in that category. Question 2. How will the Privacy Sandbox work for businesses with other marketing objectives? While some businesses, like online retailers, are focused on driving conversions, we know that others have different goals. For example, a consumer goods company may run awareness campaigns across multiple sites to maximize the number of people who see their ads. Such a company may be more interested in understanding their reach, or how many unique users have seen their ads. The Shared Storage API is a Privacy Sandbox proposal that intends to support a wide range of purposes, including brand-focused use cases, without the need for third-party cookies. These may include frequency capping, which allows you to limit the number of times an ad can be shown to a single user across sites, A/B testing, including brand lift experiments, which allows you to split audiences into groups and show them different versions of an ad to understand what drives more impact, creative rotation, which allows you to show creatives as part of a sequence to increase effectiveness of the ads, and reach measurement and custom reporting, which helps you understand how many users you have reached with your campaign and how often they have seen your ads. Question 3. How can users feel assured that they have transparency and control as part of the Privacy Sandbox? During the Origin trial, users can turn off the Privacy Sandbox altogether, in which case the ad's relevance and measurement APIs will not be active for them. Another way users can express their preferences is by removing individual topics associated with their browser or sites that have added them to Fledge interest groups. This approach to transparency and control will continue to evolve as we gather feedback. Question 4. What's next? Chrome has already enabled the Origin trials for these Privacy Sandbox APIs, meaning developers and ad tech companies have started testing them, and we will provide regular updates on the progress. For the online ecosystem to thrive, we need solutions that improve privacy for users and help businesses of all kinds grow. Chrome is committed to evolve the current proposals based on feedback we receive from the industry. Thanks for joining us today to learn more about the Privacy Sandbox. That's all the time we have for now, but join us next time for more episodes in this series. Goodbye.